I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Give here a meaningful channel title. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Asana. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Asana API console. Now click on Create New Token. Give them a meaningful name as you want. Check the list. Then create token. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Project. Then select Section. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Asana. Here is the data that came into Asana through the integration. Thanks for watching.